Hey guys, Tony here. So I tried to buy my very first Disney NFT on the, what is it, VV app or Veve app? VEVE. It sold out in like 5 seconds, man. I have no idea how many were like actually available to be, being sold. I'm assuming it's 4,300 plus. But dude, I mean, I clicked buy like half a second after it popped up, and I got an error immediately after I clicked it. And as soon as I got out and I went back in, all 4,000 of them were sold out, which I thought was absolutely ridiculous. So I'm assuming these are probably already going to be available on like the market. I don't even know if they're going to be sold already, but actually let's see. Collectibles, market, comics, my bid, listings, brands, browse all. What? You can't even see the collectibles? What's going on? Well, anyways, I tried buying it. It's 333 gems. It's like $333 basically. And I tried buying it, and there was nothing, man. You can absolutely nothing. Like I like clicked on it and everything, and it sold out legit in like seconds. Like not even 10 seconds, probably not even 5 seconds. It probably sold out in like a second or 2 or 3 seconds. This is crazy, man. The amount of hype and insanity towards these Disney NFTs are absolutely insane. And that kind of makes me, it sounds stupid, but it kind of makes me want more, or it makes me want it more, right? So I'm looking now. I just kind of have $300 sitting in here, and I kind of want to buy something else, but I'm pretty sure everything else is sold out, and you can't really buy anything. So I don't know, man. We'll see what happens. I really wanted this one because I feel like this one is probably going to be able to be sold for a lot more money. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.